In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bank account from PhonePe. So first head over and launch your PhonePe app. Make sure that you're logged into your account and from your homepage, scroll down until you see the Manage Payments section. Then from here, just click on View All. Before you can remove your bank account, you have to first check if the bank account is linked to AutoPay. Now, from the More Options section, click first on the AutoPay. If you see the bank account linked on AutoPay, head over and delete AutoPay first. Just click on Delete AutoPay. Then once done, head back to Manage Payments section. In your homepage, once again, click on View All. Then this time, under the More Options section, click on UPI Bank Accounts. Now here, select the bank that you would like to remove and click on it. Then scroll down to the bottom and click on Unlink Bank Account. You will then be prompted to confirm unlinking your bank account. Confirm by clicking on Unlink button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!